Are you tired of spending countless hours analyzing Forex charts only to end up with inconsistent profits or even worse, losses? Imagine waking up each day to see $50, $100 or more in your account without lifting a finger. Let us show you how to turn your frustrations into financial freedom. With copy trading through Wealthflow, this isn't just a dream, it's a proven reality as your trading frustrations turns into consistent profits. Statistics don't lie. From 2021 to 2024, over 85% of copy traders reported consistent gains compared to just 5% of independent traders who've been in the market 2+ years. Instead of spending 4+ years and thousands of dollars learning Forex, why not try out copy trading that allows you to start earning on day one? What is copy trading and how does it work? Copy trading allows you to link your account to a verified, profitable trader. This means every trade they execute is automatically mirrored in your account, eliminating the need for manual intervention. It's like having a financial mentor you can trust, but better. Instead of simply teaching you their methods, they let you copy their exact trades automatically and in real time. For example, if your chosen trader makes a 5% profit in a month, your account mirrors the same performance. No manual effort required, no guessing games, just results. Unlike traditional trading signals that require constant attention, copy trading ensures you get the same returns as the expert trader you're copying. This is ideal for people who are tired of making profits one day only to lose it all the next, and for those who don't have hours to dedicate to monitoring charts or learning strategies. So, why choose copy trading? Consistency. If the trader you follow consistently earns 5% per month, you'll see similar returns in your account. Simplicity. No need to spend years mastering trading strategies. Start profiting from day one by leveraging expert traders' skills. Efficiency. Ideal for those who lack the time to monitor markets but still want to earn from Forex trading. How to start copy trading. 1. Find a profitable trader. Look for traders with a consistent track record, earning between 3 to 10% monthly without significant losses. 2. Connect your account. Use a cloud-based trade copier to link your account with the chosen trader, ensuring seamless trade replication. 3rd, compounding. Reinvest your profits to benefit from compound growth. For instance, starting with $10,000 and a 10% annual return can grow your investment significantly over time. 4. Use prop firm accounts for big capital. Prop firms allow you to trade with up to $500,000 capital while risking little of your own money. With copy trading, this becomes even more powerful. Platforms to find verified pro traders. While platforms like Octafex and CopyRack exist, Wealthflow is your best bet for finding consistently profitable, low-risk traders. Here's why. Verified results. Traders are monitored to maintain a maximum drawdown of 10%. Transparency. View full trading histories, current trades, and performance metrics for informed decision-making. Risk management. Any trader exceeding the 10% loss limit is immediately removed. Wealthflow is also ideal for prop firm accounts, making it the ultimate platform for serious copy traders. What's the potential? Let's say you copy a trader making 8% monthly. Starting with $5,000, you could grow it to $12,000 within a year. Add compounding to the mix, and the numbers skyrocket. With platforms like Wealthflow, you'll have access to traders with a proven track record, turning Forex trading into a passive income stream. Are you ready to transform your trading experience? Sign up for free and explore Wealthflow by clicking the link in the description. And if you found this content valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Want to see a step-by-step walkthrough of how Wealthflow works? Click on the video showing on your screen now.